everyone. So from our previous videos, we have learned that the particular sounds made by Swar are represented as Matra. We also learned how to represent Swar A, I, and E as Matra and use them to make a word. In this video, we'll learn how to represent Swar U as Matra and then use it in a word. Now Swar U is represented as this Matra. Now let's see how we can use this Matra in a word. For example, rose in Hindi is called gulab. Now gu sound is made by using Vyanjan G and Swar U, and together they are going to make gu sound. And then we'll take Vyanjan L, Swar A and B, and together it will make gulab. Now let's move to Swar U and then let's see how that is used to make a word. Now Swar U is represented as this Matra in a word. For example, bear in Hindi is called Bhaaloo. Now Lu sound is made by Vyanjan L and Swar U, and together they are going to make Lu sound. And then we can break down the word. So Bh and then Swar A and then Lu, and together it will make the word Bhaaloo.